Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining me for this segment, we have Sumedh Thakar. He's the CEO of Qualis to discuss the 10-year listing anniversary of Qualis on Nasdaq and why cybersecurity is not feeling the economic downturn as compared to other companies. Sumedh, it's great to have you with us. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Thank you, Jill. It's a pleasure.
And what does ringing the closing bell at Nasdaq today, September 27th, to celebrate the 10-year anniversary of listing mean to the company?
I think this is really an important milestone for us. Me personally, I've been here for 20 years building out the capabilities for Qualys for cybersecurity, and we listed 10 years ago, and we've had a tremendous growth with the stock and our investors, what we have been able to do for them. So this is exciting for our employees, their families, our customers, and our investors as we have built out a really strong cybersecurity capability over the last many years and built Qualys as a very well-known brand in cyber.
It seems like there may be a shift as investors start to become more interested in company profitability versus growth. Why do you think that is?
Yeah, profitability is back in vogue now. So I think as the macroeconomic conditions are changing, and I think companies are looking at, investors rather I should say, are looking at stocks that really are from companies that have built a profitable growth. And this is very exciting for us. Last quarter, we have been accelerating our growth. We were able to get to 20% growth with above 40% EBITDA margin, being very profitable, and having $500 million on our balance sheet today in this environment is something that is definitely looked at positively by the investors rather than having to go to the market to continue to get money. And with that, we have been able to do right by the investors, being able to buy back our stock. So far, we have done over $500 million in stock buyback, and we're committed to more. And I think that is a positive for investors as they see a company that is able to grow profitably, especially in cybersecurity today. There's very few companies, and almost nobody comes close to the way we have been profitable and being able to accelerate that growth in the recent past. And that's really what is exciting for investors.
How has Qualys achieved profitability and growth in a market segment where companies are failing and a lot of tech stocks are down?
We have always been a very engineering and product-driven company, so we've focused on innovation in our platform, really working with our customers and really trying to focus on what all the CISOs today are looking for. All cybersecurity professionals are looking for consolidation of stack. We have too many cyber solutions, and when Qualys brings out a cloud-based cybersecurity platform that is helping them get a hacker's eye view of their environment and actually able to fix and remediate these blind spots that they see, it brings them significant value, and because of that, they are actually able to get more from a single platform, which is why they continue to buy additional capabilities from Qualys. And so that means that for us, everything that we add, we have the ability of new capabilities that we add onto the platform to take these to existing customers pretty quickly and don't necessarily need the same level of investment that other companies might need. So I think we're always driven by that vision to first focus on creating capabilities, and then with our structure that we have with our sales team and marketing, we first make sure that we have the right success and then invest appropriately in sales and marketing. And that's really why we believe we are where we are today relative to the performance of other stocks in this segment.
Why is cybersecurity, and specifically Qualys, not feeling the heat of the economic downturn the same way some other companies are?
What we have seen always is whenever there is economic downturn, everybody's looking for efficiency in their business. Everybody's looking for ways to consolidate things. And IT has been a big driver in the last few years of getting more efficiency in your business. So we feel that companies are investing in IT in the downturn so that they can actually be more productive and get that efficiency. And as they invest more in IT, that cannot continue. And if you see in the last few years, IT has really led to a lot of financial inclusion as well for many people that in the past were left out because of the IT environment. And that would not happen if cybersecurity was not keeping these transactions and all the financial stuff safe, right? Because people would not be then looking at using these technologies. And so cyber is a major enabler for IT technology. So in this downturn, as customers look at how do I invest in IT to bring more efficiency, cyber really is important because that is what is safeguarding the IT revolution today. And I believe that's why so far the cyber budgets have remained resilient following the IT budgets.
Why is it the Qualys mission to make cybersecurity less expensive for everyone?
I think today, because of the way cybersecurity tools are deployed, where there is a single solution deployed for every little aspect of cybersecurity, it's a lot of overhead on the security teams to actually operationalize these things, and which means that there's a lot of complexity and a lot of misses that are happening, and that adds a lot more cost, because when you have multiple solutions, multiple teams, and then trying to build all of that together. So today, if we can actually create technology like Qualys is creating, where a single platform is helping bring multiple capabilities together and simplifying their stack and bringing the cost down, then that actually can be an enabler for the business itself. If you can do better cybersecurity, leveraging platform approach at a lower cost, that is definitely a win for the overall business, because at the end of the day, every company is more focused on their business rather than just cybersecurity.
And finally, how does Qualys plan to continue to drive the recent momentum going forward?
So we continue to look at ways to work with our customers to enhance our capabilities on the platform, to bring them more value, more opportunities for them to consolidating their existing solutions, existing stack, and bringing multiple capabilities on the single agent. We feel that is going to lead to more conversations with customers, especially in the macroeconomic conditions, to look at how they can get more value from existing established vendors. And that is really how we continue to look forward. On one hand, continuing our innovative approach, and the other hand, making meaningful investments in our sales marketing effort, given that we have a good, strong balance sheet. We have the ability now to focus on what is going to be the most effective for our business and our investors.
Okay, we appreciate the insight, Sumedh. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.
Thank you very much.